first thing you need to use the AnywhereCam mount system is called the Talon. The Talon goes in the base of the camera and makes it work with all of our perch mounts. Super easy, and everything comes in the box. Step 1, take the foam insert out of the camera base. Step 2, put your Talon right side into the camera base. Step 3 is secure it with the nylon lock washers. And step 4 is tighten them down with the little hex tool that comes in the bag. Now you're ready to go. Now that you have your Talon installed in your camera, it's ready to be attached to perches, which are base plates that you can have located all over your property, so you can move your camera from location to location with no tools needed. The standard perch is great for wood, drywall, fence posts, pretty much anywhere that you can use a screw or leg bolt to attach the perch to the surface. We also have the magnetic perch. Magnetic perch has 4 super strong magnets and allows you to attach your camera to almost any metal surface without worry of it falling off. Now that we have our standard perch installed and the Talon in the back of the camera, this is how easy it is to attach your camera to a wall. Now you're up and running. And you can install these perches all over your property, anywhere you plan to use your camera year long, and this is how easy it is to move it. Our magnetic perches are even easier. You can actually leave it in the Talon and move it from metal surface to metal surface, as easy as this.